First, the top news headlines. Chairman of KCB People's Work Group arrested in Delhi. Tense situation prevails as men murdered in machete attack in Thobal. Ayodhya gears up for Ram Temple construction. And police nabbed man with brown sugar worth rupees 1.5 crore. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. A team of Special Cells South Western Railway arrested chairman of the banned KCP People's Work Group along with an active member of the outfit yesterday from Nirankaruri Sarovar Bus Stand, Burari, North Delhi. The outfit's chairman has been identified as Laishram Mangol Jau Singh alias Lamjanba Khuman, son of Laishram Mano Singh of Awangkuno Mealekai, while the active cadre has been identified as Hizbur Rahman alias Itemcha Lokhon alias Bobi, son of Muhammad Babu of Soramaninglekai, Kakching district. It is learned that non-bailable warrants have been issued by a concerned court against the two insurgents. Manipur police had earlier announced a cash reward of rupees 1 lakh for information leading to the arrest of Laishram Mangol Jau. Upon interrogation, it came to light that the duo were involved in extortion activities, shootouts, killings, planting of bombs and other activities. Tense situation prevailed at Thobal district's Sikhong Muslim village after a 50-year-old man was murdered in a machete attack this morning. The deceased has been identified as Mohammed Mangi, son of Mohammed Wahe of Sikhong Muslim village. Police have arrested the accused, identified as Maibam Santikumar Meitei, aged 35 years, son of M. Ibocha Meitei of Hizam Kunau under Nongpok Sekmai police station. According to our correspondent, Mohammed Mangi was rushed to Nongpok Sekmai Primary Health Center, but the doctor declared him brought dead. Following the incident, the victim's family along with locals attacked and vandalized the house of the accused. Police rushed to the site and dispersed the angry crowd, resulting in a scuffle. 3 persons were injured in the scuffle. However, the police managed to bring the situation under control. Meanwhile, a Joint Action Committee JAC has been formed during a public meeting to seek justice in the murder of Mohammed Mangi. In a press release, the JAC strongly condemned the brutal murder and demanded justice. It also demanded the government to take action against all police personnel who were responsible for injuring residents during a scuffle. They should be suspended within 24 hours, the JAC demanded. The JAC said the police used with tear gas against protesters and that the authorities should bear all medical expenses of the injured. Through the press release, the JAC further sought cooperation from all social organizations in the state in seeking justice for the victim.
Sida Nomaya Kapiba police personnel sing Ado Kudapta suspend Togodoni, Wangkem, Rakesh Amasung, son of late W. Inau Amadi, Maibam Itomba, son of M. Palando, Haidam Nui Anisi, Kudapta Pagadoni, demanding a sea, Manipur government, Marigiman, Manunda, Lokapidota Argati.
A youth was mysteriously found dead at Salungpham under Hairok police station of Thobal district last night. The deceased has been identified as Sapam Shittle, aged 19 years, son of S. Khomdon of Salungpham Mealekai. He was a carpenter by profession. Police deposited the body at Janim's morgue for post-mortem, a report said today. Residents of Salungpham Mealekai staged a sit-in protest against the death of Shittle at Salungpham Mealekai. A Joint Action Committee JAC was also formed in connection with the death of the local youth. JAC convener NG Narayan said that Shital was last seen driving his motorcycle in the locality around 4 p.m. yesterday. Later, around 8 p.m., the family was informed that Shital was found dead. Narayan further appealed to the concerned authorities to book all culprits within 5 days.
Taramba dakpam khara akoin ujai maji masana accident or sibadi nate adu gari lermi ba gari gi phibam su kaimta somde stand ju bok ta haigalam de adum khama thamam de khongpang na kawbugi mami bok tingki da tarame ngasi tang ani dina manga bui manung da akoge mia tin hapiram ba go sapam gi sitan singagi mia pa si puthokri fa ba akoi akan basung changsangani adu asiba sang lawro.
Clearing of the Ram Janmabhoomi site in Ayodhya has begun with heavy earth moving machines moving into the 67.7 acre premises, marking the beginning of the process of Ram temple construction. Ram Lala idols will be shifted 150 meters from the sanctum sanctorum of the makeshift temple of Manas Bhavan and placed in a bulletproof fiber structure till the temple is constructed, as per a report. The Ram Janmabhoomi site also houses modern 12 ancient temples, including Ram Janmasthan and Sita Rasoi, which are in ruins. No rituals are performed since 1993, when land was acquired by the center. A team of More Police Commando yesterday seized brown sugar worth rupees 1.5 crore from a drug smuggler near Lokchau Thong along Imphal More Road. Additional Superintendent of Police More M. Amit told media that the commando team found the brown sugar weighing around 1 kg in 80 different packets wrapped in 7 plastic bags. The seized drug along with the arrested was handed over to More Police Station for further legal action.
Jangpao Hokip, son of Balkongjang Hokip, Jamol Kundagini, Technopalgi, Mawandagi Pangliba Yamlabad. Drug item masi brown sugar ni haina koina suspect tawi masi sapon cap masing 80 da hapam bani total akoi 963 gram gi pot oigani masi pharaba mi amsung pot sing si koi More PS ta makhata legal action lawnaba singazakre.
Manipur University Administrator General Singh today opened the 6-day-long MU Fest 2020 at Manipur University, Kanchipur, Imphal, organized by Manipur University Students' Union, MUSU. General Singh hosted the varsity flag and 19 contingents performed mass past at the opening function. General Singh, Manipur University Dean of Students' Welfare, Professor Dr. Ratan Kumar Singh, Head Department of History, Manipur University Professor N. Lokendra, Department of PESS Head Dr. L. Thambal and Manipur University Students' Union MUSU President Moirangthem Bobby shared the dice on the occasion. Addressing the function as chief guest, General Singh said that Manipur is a land of sports and culture and has produced many excellent players at national and international levels. He stated that the event hosted by MUSU will help improve the overall health of students in the varsity.
When you are standing, sometime when you are standing still, the oxygen to brain supply reduces, so people faint. Don't stand still. Keep on moving your legs or feet or toes. Little bit movement and you will have no problem. And I congratulate the MUSU President, Secretary General and all the office bearers for organizing the wonderful festival. And I hope and wish that you will enjoy this. Thank you.
Social activist and international model Mayang Lambam Daina led a peaceful march in New Delhi yesterday, organized by National Commission for Women. The rally was carried out on the theme Power Walk, which aims to spread awareness on gender equality. The rally started from India Gate at 7 p.m. and concluded at Janpat. Placards that read "Power to Change, Power to Transform" joined the Power Walk. Show the power of Power Walk. Together we are powerful. There can be no community without girls and women in it, were held by the demonstrators during the rally. A large number of noticed students joined the rally. Commemorating its 4th Foundation Day, the Widows and Orphan Resource Development Trust Voti celebrated first Widows Day today. Manipuri University former Vice Chancellor Professor Hizam Tombi, author of the Trust Professor N. Gunindro, Vice Chancellor of Central Agricultural University Professor Moirangthem Premjit and former Professor of Chemistry Department Manipuri University Dr. Moirangthem Dhaneshwar were present during the function. Addressing the gathering, Professor Hizam Tombi explained about various schemes sponsored by the government for widows. He assured that the trust will help reach these schemes to the beneficiaries. He also lauded the trust in its efforts to help those in need.
Social welfare department, the government, labor department, suggestion advice process scheme.
A car rally carrying a message on prevention of crimes against women during upcoming Yausung Festival 2020 was held today in Imphal. It was flag off from Kangla Gate, organized by Women Against Crime WAC. Participating in the car rally flag off event, advisor of All Manipur United Clubs organization Amuko PH Deban said that everyone needs to be made aware of the crime against women. He mentioned that the government has set up a fast-track court for the state to handle cases related to crimes against women and children to deliver quick justice.
Yausang kumai lakpasi daisida maruaina ningol oibi kayana aduki matik section ba mathok tai ningol khaktana section badana tana mama mapa singna senaraga anda karaida thabal chongba aikoi gi festival gi damakta yamno phajana chongba mama mapa mabung mapa singi mamangda chongba phajagraba festival se sigumba aikoi gi tahaidraba ohidraba tahoidraba thabak mayam chinga sina masak thialli anu masi thoktanaba mama mapa sing mabung singna magi machan sing karawaida thabal chongi karawaida yauri karum da chatkre habse yam kupna yengminasi haiba appeal se ai thamjari.
Social, Educational and Cultural Development Organization, SETCO and Khetri Women Development Organization have appealed to all concerned not to organize Thabal Chongba program beyond the 5-day-long Yausung Festival 2020. Apun Banupilo ANUL Bisnupur district has appealed to girls to wear decent clothes during traditional Thabal Chongba program during Holy Festival. ANUL President Nepram Bimola Devi was speaking to media at Bisnupur Bazaar today.
Bisnupur district ki Didim line da Laishabi Masa Singna Tang Mapan gi Mamang da Gari Tatana Gari Mamang da Lietana Pashamun Basi Masi Anun Bisnupur district ki Maigai dagi Hinge.
Mitai National Assembly MNA today organized a meeting of Sanamahi followers at Kurai Konsam Lekai, residence of CH Ibomcha. The meet discussed ways to promote Sanamahism. MNA President NZ Thambalngau and advisor Maibam Tomba Kuman and several other members attended the meeting. CH Ibomcha Kuman during the meeting underlined on the need to promote Sanamahism.
Hindu ki kanoda kolo lo le sangi badigi aikoi ki jati asi aikoi manghre manghi badigi aikoi so khumpu ga taleta aikoi ahanjinga kanna hona bidna imphal no pon haron mitei maru haiba ma aikoi lingkhat pirame adugi matungda aikoi United National Assembly dagi amu aikoi mitei National Assembly haiba ama amu na hono na amu maming si won thoerga aikoi asum basi makha chata jaktana aikoi Bharat Sarkar da aikoi gi leiriba jati sigi oiba aikoi adumba lubasina aikoi isagi lining isagi culture na chingba aikoi masi watan leijai haidana masi Bharat na piriba संविधान के आर्टिकल ना पीरी बिसिंग दुगी मधुगी सब साबा राइट टू फंगन बिउ हाइदना मसी अखोइना मसीगी से संगठन जरपनी.
Demanding the state government for immediate rectification or revision of paid ROP 2019, the Council of Teachers Association Kota today continued relay hunger strike at the Porompa Zone 2 office. Kota co-convener Dr. Ritendro told media that over the demand of rectification of ROP 2019, a series of agitations have been staged. Besides submitting a memorandum to Chief Minister N. Biren, he termed it as unfortunate that the government is still mum over their demand. He informed that Kota will continue the relay hunger strike till 7th of March and then the association will cease work and observe fast unto death agitation until the state government fulfills the demand.
अखोई ममांग थकता कोटाना अखोइना क्लास 10 अमसुंग 12 की एग्जाम बॉयकॉट असे अखोई सुसोय सोयदन तौगन हाना लाउथोकीबा लैबनी अदुमोपु अखोई ओजाबकी सिंफमना संगुरबनिना सोसाइटी असिगी अखोइगी तुंगी फ्यूचर ओइगदबा जनरेशन कयाबु अखोइना मखोंग द थांजौना यानथतप थोकनी मरम लोइनना अखोइगी सोसाइटी सिदा लैरिबा सीएसओ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्टूडेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सिंगदगी जो अकनबा प्रेशर पिरकपदगी अखोइना तंगाई फदना हंदोकीबा लैबनी अदुबु हाइरिबा अखोइना हंदोखरबा मतुंगदा लाक्लिबा अखोइगी मार्च की तारीख तारीख की मतुंग दगी करीगुम गवर्नमेंट अखोद इन्विटेशन नेगोशिएट तौनब इन्वाइट तौबिरक्तब थोलगदी अखोई मदुगी हेना कनबा अखोई फिरेपुक लौरप याय हैबसी कोताना अखोई गवर्नमेंट की साइट सेक्शन वा थमजरी
NT Theatre is all set to organize the National Theatre Festival 2020. Briefing media at Manipur Press Club Imphal, Chairman of the Organizing Committee K. Radha Kumar said that the festival will be organized under the aegis of EJCC Kolkata and Sangeet Natak Academy, New Delhi. The carnival will be held from March 5th to 9th on the theme Theatre for Radical Aesthetics. The festival will present 3 plays from other states and 2 from NT Theatre, the organizers said.
Some sort of revival gumbama. I could lack Brian Kanje. I am the festival. See, Kiri no, we hope like what can we many are in the offing. Chilakado, you am laying Asa, Sidum Kara lady, and I quite loge. Mashi theatres, no, really matting labor, Posaxi Torok Padagi, the theatre goers, no, Masha Kumbir Padagi, Oibani, and I quite loge.
Institute of Rural Education IRE Wangjing will organize the annual national conference on March 4th and 5th next at the IRE campus. IRE Principal cum Program Advisor Rajiv Kumar Naringbam informed this to media at the institute today. Rajiv Kumar said that the upcoming conference will be held on the theme Convergence of Ethical Values of Education into Practice, an outlook to professional ethics, which aims at imparting professional ethics to B.Ed trainees.
Come workshop topic na convergence of ethical values of education into practice and outlook to professional ethics. Sigi topic se da ekoina laiba March ki tang mari amasung manga se ekoina schedule tawjare. Hariba saida ekoigi different papers me amus pathuna gani aduga resource person oina mapandagi professor AND director ekoigi Netaji Subhas Open University ki director masamaksu hariba visit siki yamaruiba resource person amuso bigani hariba kanosi conference si koi ki B.Ed ki training atangi akhanana koina professional ethics se khare main koi ki magun lena khangmina na bagi tanja da koina participate thoksa
10 ambassadors of Asian countries with their spouses will arrive in Mizoram on March 4th for a 5-day visit to the state. According to media reports, they will also visit Myanmar's Chin state. 2 months ago, this envoys visited Manipur and went up to the More Tamu crossing. Mizoram celebrates Chapchar Kut, one of its big festivals this week, and the envoys will be in the state during this time. Curfew in several areas of Meghalaya capital Shillong has been extended till further notice today morning. Earlier yesterday, apprehending serious deterioration of law and order in Shillong, the district magistrate of East Khasi Hills had ordered reimposing of curfew in the city with effect from 9 p.m. last night to 6 a.m. today. However, according to reports, a fresh order extending the curfew has been issued early this morning under Section 144 CRPC by the district magistrate M. War Nongbre. The order stated that there is every likelihood of serious breach of peace and tranquility and may lead to loss of life and property. In view of the deteriorating law and order situation in the city, the District Magistrate Amwar Nongri, in exercise of the powers conferred upon her under Section 144 CRPC, has extended the curfew in Shillong agglomeration and its adjoining areas, the statement read. At noon on Friday, a team of activists of the influential Khasi Students' Union, KSU, had gone to Ichapmati, around 90 km from Shillong, to hold a meeting to converse for the implementation of the Inner Line Permit ILP in Meghalaya and oppose the CAA. According to a senior police officer, around 3 p.m, after the meeting ended, clashes broke out between the KSU members and non-tribals of the area. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today, along with his cabinet ministers, Home Minister Lakman Rimbui, Health Minister A.L. Hek and GAD Minister Komungon Yambon paid a visit to the victims injured in sporadic incidents of violence that occurred in the city in the last few days. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that necessary medical care is being administered to the injured, adding that the condition of most of the victims are stable. He further informed that some of the victims required medical operations to be performed, and once these procedures are completed by tomorrow, the injured people should be completely out of danger. The Chief Minister said that all the medical expenditure involved in the treatment of the victims will be borne by the government. The Chief Minister also added that all precautionary measures are in place to bring the law and order situation under control, and also appealed to all stakeholders and individuals to refrain from any kind of violence so that peace and normalcy can return. The death toll in Delhi's violence rose to 46 today as the situation remained tense but peaceful. While 38 have been reported dead at the Guru Tegh Bahadur Hospital, 3 at Lok Nayak Hospital, 4 at Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital and 1 at Jagparvesh Chander Hospital, media reports said. 4 bodies were fished out from the drains in Gokalpuri and Shiv Bihar areas of the violence affected Northeast area on Sunday. Panic had gripped the residents of several parts of the national capital on Sunday evening following false rumors of violence, even as the Delhi police and AAP leaders denied any incident and appealed people to remain calm. US authorities today reported the second death in the country due to the novel coronavirus disease COVID-19. According to media reports, Public Health Seattle and King County said a man in his 70s died on February 29, a day after a man in his 50s died of coronavirus. Both had underlying health conditions and both were being treated at a hospital in Kirkland, Washington, east of Seattle. China today reported 42 new deaths due to coronavirus. With the new deaths, the global coronavirus death toll passed 3,000, reports said. The new fatalities were reported in the Hubei province of China, the National Health Commission said, bringing the overall toll in mainland China to 2,912. The death of Expediency Council member Mir Mohammadi came as Iran announced the virus had killed 66 people among 1,501 confirmed cases in the country. According to media reports, Mir Mohammadi died at a North Tehran hospital of the virus. Today, he was 71. As of now, Iran has the highest death toll in the world after China, the epicenter of the outbreak. Other Iranian top officials have also reported to contracting the virus. The Supreme Court today dismissed the curative plea of one of the 4 death row convicts, Pawan Kumar Gupta, in the 2012 Nirvaya gang rape and murder case, a day before their scheduled hanging. According to media reports, the curative petition was considered by a bench of Justices N.B. Ramana, Arun Mishra, R.F. Nariman, R. Banumati and Ashok Bhushan in the chamber of Justice Ramana. Pawan, 25, against whom the death warrant has been issued for execution on March 3rd, along with the 3 other condemned prisoners, had claimed juvenility to seek commutation of sentence to life imprisonment. Pawan was the last death row convict in the case to move the top court with his curative plea, the final legal remedy available to a person. Philippine police today surrounded a shopping mall in an upscale section of Manila after a recently dismissed security guard opened fire and took dozens of people hostage, an official said. A media report, Mayor Francis Jamora of the Philippine capital San Juan area said the gunman shot one person at the V Mall. The victim was in stable condition at a nearby hospital. Jamora said a negotiator was trying to talk to the gunman, a disgruntled former security guard at the shopping complex inside a mall administration office. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, the Azlan Shah Cup hockey tournament, slated to commence from April next, has been postponed to September in the wake of deadly coronavirus which is spreading across the world. According to sources, the tournament, which was earlier scheduled to be held in Ipoh, Malaysia from April 11 to 18, will now be held from September 24 to October 3rd, the organizers said in a statement today. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Chairman of KCP People's War Group arrested in Delhi. Tense situation prevails as men murdered in machete attack in Thobal. Ayodhya gears up for Ram temple construction. Police nabbed man with brown sugar worth rupees 1.5 crore. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.